Hello, little learners. Welcome back to Edu World. Today we are going to talk about something very important that helps you write better topic. Sentence. Are you ready? A sentence is like a complete thought. It's when we say something that makes sense. So we can write definition of sentence is, a sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. For example, the cat is sleeping. That is full sentence because it tells something. Let's take more examples. I like sweets. These are interesting stories. Where were the children playing? I hope you now have a clear understanding of what a sentence is. Let's move ahead. Now next we're going to learn about different types of sentences. Sentences can be classified based on the purpose they serve. There are four main types. Declarative sentences. These sentences give information or state a fact. For example, the sky is blue. It ends with a period. Interrogative sentences. These are questions. For example, what is your name? They end with a question mark. Imperative sentences. These are used to give commands or requests, like, please sit down. They can end with a period or an exclamation mark. Exclamatory sentences. These express strong emotions or excitement, like, wow, that's amazing. They always end with an exclamation mark. Each type of sentence has its own purpose, and together they make communication more interesting. Let's quickly review the four types of sentences. Declarative states a fact, ends with a period. Interrogative asks a question, ends with a question mark. Imperative gives a command or request, can end with a period or exclamation mark. Exclamatory shows strong emotion, ends with an exclamation mark. Great job, everyone! Now you know how to recognize and use different types of sentences. Remember, each type has a different purpose, but they all help us express our thoughts clearly and effectively. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using all kinds of sentences like a pro. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you in the next one.